Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the final video for the Excel playlist. Final video means this video is the project video where we will look into the end-to-end project with a single tool, that is Excel. And end-to-end project means it is deal with the client with communication, storytelling, cleaning the raw data, manipulation, each and everything. Like if you have went through my previous project like SQL and Python, you would be having an idea. If not, you are new to my YouTube channel, no worries. We will be doing the same thing here as well, but in Excel tool. Like we will be using the Excel tool. That's it. And let me tell you one thing, this is a dummy project. You can use this project in your CV, in your resume, or in your online platform like LinkedIn. You can use it. And let me tell you one thing, we have the data, each and everything will be given to you through the Google Drive link, which is present in our description box. So let's jump into the project. Okay, so today we have received a project from a freelance client, and the subject we can see it is request for data check. Okay, they have copied to their internal teams as well, like business team, sales team, zonal team. That's good. And okay, so they are the HR team. Those like this guy, Mr. Patrick, have been working in the HR team as mentioned in this detail, I mean mail signature we can see. And we have received a file as well, 30 KB file. Okay, let's read the mail and let's see what requirement do they have. So they have written, hi Shubham, I hope you are doing well. I'm sharing an Excel sheet that needs thorough cleaning. Okay, as it's currently not structured properly, the dataset has issues such as extra space, duplicates, null, missing value. Okay, general formatting inconsistency. Nice, nice. This clean data will be sent to the senior DA team. Okay, okay, nice. For further check and insights. Okay, so they are also shadowing the work that has been done by the freelance gig. That's a good thing. Each and everything should be shadowed. Shadow in what the sense, shadow in sense of like checking, pre-check, and also there should be someone to check like you have done the work correctly or not, for feedback and everything. Because see, we are humans and humans makes mistake, so there should always be checks done by someone senior than you, or maybe a senior team, or someone who have more knowledge than you, and they have a good, I mean knowledge and experience is what required for this. So okay, they have written further checks and all. No worries for that, since they don't have manpower to handle raw and messy data. Okay, I think there are less people in the team, or they might be in a recruiting phase. Let's see. It's important that the file is properly cleaned before being forwarded. Okay, nice. Like as I've told you, before being forwarded, written means they've written right checks and insights, everything will be done. Okay, so could you please take care of this and send me the cleaned version once done? That's way I can review it and ensure it's ready for the analyst team. Good. Make sure the clean file renamed to HRS sales BUI clean, means HRS sales business intelligence, I think so, BUI, because as per my experience in my corporate field, BUI are all about business team, and CLN may be clean. What I am thinking as a layman's point of view, there might be some different uh, kind of I would say mm, knowledge or requirement in this corporate point of view, but as far as I can see, CLN means clean. As I can see, it can be anything, but still. Okay, let me know if you need any clarification before starting. Nice, that's good. PFF file. Okay, they have sent the file. Thanks. HR team Patrick. Okay. Before doing something, let's first reply to them, because reply is, I mean, main thing. Let me tell you, whenever And it is also a professional thing. Whenever you receive any mail in anywhere, like any field, either in a corporate field or either in a freelance field or either somewhere from your manager XYZ, always make sure you reply to them by, just an kind of alert or a reminder kind of thing. You have to reply this so that they would be able to know, okay, you have received the mail, you have checked the file XYZ, each and everything, just for a confirmation part. Like in you and your friends, like when they talk in WhatsApp or Telegram or kind of SMS, you say like ki ha chal message mil gaya kind of thing, just a professional point of view. ठीक है, it is like that. So hi Mr. Patrick, Patrick. It should be, means mail should be checked thoroughly. Why, because to maintain the professionalism, that's it. uh, Thank you for sending this mail, and thanks for the details and requirement. Will check and send you the just a minute, just send you, let me see. Yeah, my photo is here actually, no worries. Send you the cleaned excel file and will will follow the instructions. ठीक है, that is a thing. That's it, nothing else. You don't have to write that much, but still at least one alert, I mean one alert mail should be given, and that is what maintaining professionalism means to them and means to you, because this will help you in long run, right? Because professionalism, soft skills, these things are like those skills which we cannot see, which we don't write in resume as well. You don't write this whole thing like I reply to mail and all that. These are soft skill. This should not be written in CV or resume or anywhere in online platform like LinkedIn or Naukri.com, anywhere. But these are the things which actually shows your professionalism, your education qualification, and your respect towards other. That is what soft skill means, and these things will also be taught to you in this end-to-end project. Okay, regards this, and you can do it like that. Hi Patrick, thank you for sending this mail, and thanks for the details and requirements. We'll check and send you the cleaned Excel file by, and we'll also follow the instruction. Like by following the instruction is also okay, no worries. And we'll also follow the instruction is okay, no worries for that. So let's send them this, and let's download the file and see what do we get. Let's see from here what is it all about. Okay, okay, so they have only one Excel file, no worries for that. We have employee ID, name, and this is also not sorted properly, means you can see it's starting with 96, and okay, we'll check that. There are spaces, we can see there are spaces here. So two things, there are lots of things we can see here. There are spaces, okay. Number is not sorted properly. Age, wage, okay. Salary, okay, salary should be in this, what we say, the unit, currency unit should be there, but still no issues for that. We will ask them related to these things as well. Joining date, we can see the joining date. We will download this file, no worry, we will download this file and check all these things in Excel proper, using Excel tool as well. This is just, I mean to say, the first check. when you receive a file or a document, first check, that's it, first check. Date is not properly made, okay. Sales, again currency details are not given. Rating, no issues. Bonus, okay, currency is not given. Percentage, east west, okay. This mail is also no worries. Let's download this and let's see what do we have here. So we have downloaded it and let's jump into the file. Okay, let's jump. I have my, let's jump. Yeah, this is where I have downloaded it. Let's delete this. This is where I have downloaded it, and let's increase this thing. I think it is tough for you because those who are studying from mobile phone, it will be tough for them to analyze the thing. So that's why I have just increased this. Let me decrease a little bit. Is it okay? No, still, let's see. 40 will be good. What do you say? 40 is better. Like I would say 40 is better. Easy to see, good to go. And let me keep this thing below here. Okay. So that it will be easy, or more below here if you want. I can keep it more here because my main motive is like you should be able to see all those things. Okay. So that's the thing. And let's check all those things again here as well. Like first thing first, whenever you receive a file some anywhere, like a data set from SQL point of view, or an Excel sheet from Python point of view, or Excel sheet in Excel point of view, okay, always first rule is to explore the file, okay. Explore the data, explore everything from your naked eyes, explore everything, then only move forward. Okay, so that is what exploration means. So let's do it like this. Wait a minute, let me decrease. Let's do it like this. Let's give it a better look because presentation is the key. Okay, so to remove spaces, let me first filter it out. Let us first filter it out and let's select all the blanks. Let's select only the blanks. Okay. Whenever there are blanks, do one thing simple. Just go like this and delete. That's it. Just go like this and delete. And let me tell you one thing. If you suppose, let me show you one more thing. It would be better. Like wherever there are blank, if you go in this find and filter, okay, let's remove this and go to and select all the blanks. Okay, what will happen, in this, it will select all the blanks in, I mean the blank cell as well. I mean to say the blank rows will also be selected, the blank cells will also be selected. And if I right click and delete this, the entire row, what will happen, this row will also get deleted, this row will also get deleted. So that is the issue. Never do this. Whenever you get like this type of things, you just go filter it out, click here, click on the blank and just select and delete. That's it. Do like this, it will help you out easily. Delete, delete, delete. That's it. Okay. So now there is nothing as such blank, and let us see how many. Control shift down. So there are total 200 rows present here. We can see here, see 200 rows, sum and all given. No worries for that. And let us just filter it in ascending order, means from 1, it will start from 1 till 200. And let's see, we have each and everything here. Okay, each and everything is present. So right now what we can see, we can see that there are same employee IDs. Matlab, this thing are there, name is there, but same employee ID is there, which is actually not good. Let me tell you that. See, you can see in this filter as well. Like in 10 there are 2, 11 there are 2, like this. Okay. So there are lots and lots of duplicate values are there here. Let's see what should we do in this. Hmm. So lots and lots of duplicate values are there here. Let's mail them and let's see, because see, employee ID should be unique. So there are lots and lots of issues present here that we can see, and we should also ask our HR team related to this. So let's write a mail first to them. Let me do one thing. See, whenever you send them a mail in Excel, let me tell you one thing first. Think first, make sure your data is in detail format. What I'm trying to do, let me tell you one thing. What I'm trying to do, I will give them a pivot table rather than sending the data, because they have told in mail, you can check. They have told in mail that send me the clean version once done. So we cannot send the file right now. We can just send them some insights that we have received, like they have told. Let me know if you need any clarification before starting. So although we have started, but still for clarification we can always mail them. So what I will do, I will make a pivot table in this. We will just go and select pivot, but let me tell you one thing. I am deciding to move my camera wala webcam ka series here. Let me tell you, because here we will get all the pivot ka data. That's why. So let's go to the pivot table here. Pivot table we have went, new worksheet, everything okay. ठीक है, everything is there. Okay, ठीक. Right now what we will do, we will just click this employee ID here in rows. We want the employee ID in rows. Okay. Let me move it here, it would be better. Yeah, let us take the employee ID here, and also employee ID I want in values. What I will do, I will just click here, value setting field, this value setting field, and click on count. I want the count, like how many employees ID are having count of 2, how many employee IDs are having count of 3, like this kind of thing. Okay. So let's just click OK. Take. So what I received, there are employee IDs having 1 count and 2 count. We cannot give this data like that. We will just copy it, open a new sheet, uh, open a new sheet here. Let me make this 140. Open a new sheet here, and what I will do, I will paste as values. Okay, paste as values I will do. So paste as values, what will happen, this will paste normally, like a normal digits, normal thing, it will get pasted. If I do paste special, here same thing we will receive. Matlab, if I click here, do you know what will happen? If I click here, I mean here the pivot table will open here. That's why I'm saying. So always paste as values. Whenever you have applied any formula or something and you want to paste it to make it in a digit way, you can work on that thing without hampering the formula, anything. Just paste as values. Now what I will do, I will just click it here, filter. Just click it here, filter. like this, and then select on 2. Click here like, ठीक है. So in this, what we have found, there are around 50 of 151 records found. We can do one more thing. You know what? Select all, remove this filter, insert, write a pivot like this, not this one. Till here you select, write a pivot. Here you can do one thing, count of employee IDs and employee IDs having count. ठीक है? Let me increase this. Oh, sorry, even though, let me move this here. So what I did, I took the count of employee ID in rows, and this employee ID, I will count it. Okay? In this, you can see what we have received. Let me increase this thing. In this, you can see what we have received. We have received that total one. I mean, the employee IDs which are not duplicate are 100. The employee ID which are duplicate, means having count of 2, that is duplicate obviously, are 50. Means there are 50 employees ID which are having duplicacy, 100 are unique. We can just copy it here, we can paste it in our Excel, I mean not Excel, in our mail. Okay? We will do one thing, we will just write a mail to them related to this. Just go here, reply, hi Patrick, as we are exploring, would be better, exploring the data set, we found that there are duplicacy in the, wait, duplicates, there are duplicates in the Excel sheet in employee ID column. ठीक है? In employee ID column. So as far as we have went to do deep dive, in this deep dive into it, we found that the name is different in those, and the details are also different. So please help me out in this. What should we do for the duplicate, employee IDs? ठीक है? So we will be pasting this thing. I will write here, I have done the counting for this duplicates, and as we can see, there are at least 50 employees, who are there, are not at least, there are 50, because at least, why at least, we can see 50 number is there, so we'll say like this, we can see that there are 50 employees who are having same employee ID. ठीक है? Kindly help us out in this. Okay, that's what we have done. And then let's write regards. We can do one thing. We can write this thing as well. If you want, we can send you the Excel file for the changes that uh, can be made, that can be done in employee ID column. ठीक है? Simple. We have also given them the flexibility, like we can also send, if you want we can send you the file as well. Let's give this in italic so that it is easy for them to view as well. So this we have done this. Okay, so let's send them the file with this. And yeah, it is good. So we will be sending them this data, pivot ka data, and let's see if they want us, we can send the Excel sheet. Let us wait for the reply and see what response do we get from their team. So let's send it here. That's it. We have sent them and let's wait for the reply. So we can see one thing, we have received a mail from them and we have found some insights. Let's see what insights do we get. It's like, okay, they have copied to recruiting team, means recruitment team is also aligned in this mail ID, and that's a good thing. Like each and every team is being aligned, and it should be done because each and everyone should know, each and every team should know what actually goes on during this work cycle, so that everyone are in the loop, or you can say are on the same track. And that's a good practice, let me tell you that. So copy to recruitment team, business team, and HR team. Okay. Like how, hi Shubham, we are happy with the insights you shared regarding employee IDs. Yeah, that's obviously that's why I'm saying explore the file after each and every step. If you don't explore the file, you will miss lots of things. That's why I'm saying exploration of the file, like checking the file back to back, is much more necessary. Let me tell you that you will get lots of insight. Let me tell you, we are happy with the insights you share regarding employee IDs. This reflect your experience and understanding how the company operates, and it's great to see your knowledge in that area. Obviously, see, let me tell you one thing, whenever you go to work in a corporate field, you will get to know that the employees ID are unique, just like your mail ID. Simple, just take an example, just like your username in Instagram or your mail ID from any domain like yahoo.com, google.com, like it is unique. Each and everyone have their own unique IDs. That is what I'm trying to say. Means if you go to a company to work, you will find out that employee ID is unique to you only. You won't be see the same employee ID with someone else using the same employee ID. It is nothing like that. You will see always the employee ID will be unique, even though the mail ID is unique. Corporate mail ID would be unique. So that is the best thing for the corporate knowledge, let me tell you. And this is what I am like spreading this knowledge, so that once you join this corporate, you should be aware of these things. Okay? Sorry. As discussed with recruitment team, okay, they have discussed with recruitment team, so that's why they have copied this mail to them. We found that the employee ID should follow a sequential order. Kindly arrange them from one to the last ID accordingly. Okay, last ID accordingly. Thank you for your support and cooperation. Yeah, that's it. So what we will do, we will just first thing first, we will delete it. No use for this, no use for this as well. and no use for this as well. Okay, no worries. Now we can see this is the thing, so we'll click on one and we will just go with the, or we can just do like this. Okay, what you seen what I have did? I just clicked here and went to the plus sign, this plus sign. Let me do this once again. Control Z I did. When you go here at the end of the cell, you will get a plus sign, small plus sign. When this comes, do a double click, it will arrange on a sequential basis. Okay, it arranged on a sequential basis. Okay, once again we should see like is everything good or not, because like we have done the filter part and we have seen that there are like two duplicates are there, means two datas are repeated twice, so duplicate datas are there. So we have seen right now there is only one. And let me tell you one thing, as the data is small we can see this, but let me tell you one thing, it is better to always go for pivot, use the pivot. Okay, use the pivot, it is better to say that. Just employee ID, click here, employee ID values count. Okay, count, and in this you can see there, yeah, see there are 200. Okay, and there is no, I mean to say there is nothing kind of I mean two in this. And there are lots of things, let me tell you, you can just go here and you can do pivot chart for this, do a pie chart for this, anything you want you can do it, no worries for that. Okay, no worries for that, everything will be done like this. You can use anything. Take, just I'm trying to say there are lots of things you can know if you use this tools like pivot table, pivot chart and all those things. Okay, so yeah, there is nothing right now, let me tell you. And if you want we can just do one more check, like always check the files. Let me tell you that uh, paste as where is it, paste as values. I have pasted it as values again just to check the thing. Let me move this here just to check the thing. What I will do, I will just put a filter here and see all the 200 data are having one. Always do a double check, let me tell you, always do a double check, it is better for you as well as better for the business team. I have done double check, everything is good to go. Now let's move to the second part of data cleaning. So you can see there is unique one is there for, I mean unique employee IDs are there right now. Okay, right now what we will do, we will just delete it, simple, no use. Yeah, so here there are still empty for the sales. So okay, we will talk about this as well. And bonus, okay, right now what I can see is that the email somewhere at the rate is not there, somewhere after at the rate domain name is not there, so there are lots of invalid email present in this sheet, so we will be working on that as well. Okay, let's work on that thing. Let us make a filter, let us make a filter for valid and invalid thing. Okay, let's write in valid, valid. Okay, it is better to write this. Oh. Format painter, yeah, that's, oops, what happened here, valid and invalid. Okay, better to write this. What I will do right now, I will just make a formula here using, what, if and is number, and also search. These all things are being taught to you in the playlist, on a individual video playlist for all the individual thing. Means is number individual, if individual, search individual, everything has been taught in the playlist, Excel playlist. These things are available right now. I mean, every videos are scheduled as per date and time. You will get all those videos in the playlist as well. No need to worry about it. Okay? So we will put an valid and invalid thing here. So what we will do, we will do two kind of things. Okay? Let's open notes and let's write this. Let's write one thing here. Okay? In notes, what we will write, just to make sure you understand, we will do two kind of thing. We will search at the rate, then we will search dot, and at the rate. This two things we will search. Okay, I think it is not. What we will do, we will search at the rate first. Okay, at the rate is there or not. Then we will do one more condition search. Condition search is like at the rate should be there first, and then dot should be there first, for there at second, means at the rate gmail.com, right? So at the rate is first position, dot is on the second position. We will search that, because what I can see, somewhere there at the rate is not there, dot com is there, or somewhere at the rate is there but domain name is not there. So we will do this search and put valid and invalid. Valid are those where at the rate and dot is present. Invalid are those where at the rate is there, domain name is not there, or domain name is there, at the rate is not there, like this kind of thing. So what we will do first, we will write this thing, search. Okay, search simple at the rate, and in what cell it is on L2. Okay, L2. Right now it is not coming because I haven't given any, I mean to say this if and is number kind of thing. That's why. And also not equal to. Right now when I've given equal to, L2 is highlighted. Okay. What I will do, I will write is number. Is number, what it does, it will give the thing like true and false. Okay. True and false means it will check if the search is having at the rate, then it will return true. If not, it will return false. ठीक. Then we will write, this is the first thing, simple, this is the first thing. Second thing, what we will, okay, second thing what we will do, we will use one more search. We will write a comma and we will use one more search. Search what? First we will search at the rate, then we will search dot. So rather than writing this, order of execution, first it will happen for the thing which is inside the bracket, full bracket. So this is the first bracket, search ka, this is the first bracket. Inside this we will write one more bracket, and we will do a search again, which is the first search. First search in order of execution, I mean to say. ठीक है? We will search at the rate. In this what will happen, at the rate will be searched first, means in this criteria. Let me just close the bracket. It will be easy for you to understand. That's why I am saying easy for you to understand. That's why. See, in this what will happen, inside bracket will execute first. It will search at the rate first. Okay, if found, then it will go for dot, because at the rate gmail.com. So at the rate first and dot come after. That's the thing. And to make sure it is giving us some output, it we will write is number. open parenthesis, close parenthesis. That's it. Simple as that. Simple as that. No worries for it. Okay? Now what we will do? We will write if this thing is there and this thing is there, then what will happen, you know? It will give us two things, either valid, either invalid. ठीक है? Either valid or either invalid. Means if true, then valid, if false, invalid. Simple. If this thing is following, that is true, it will show valid. Means both this and this. And for that, what we will do for both, we will use a one more function called AND. What is the use of this AND? Let me tell you. If this thing is true, also this thing is true, it will show valid. If this thing is false and this thing is false, it will show invalid. If this thing is true, this thing is false, it will show invalid. If this thing is false, this thing is true, it will show invalid. It will show only valid when both the criteria are matched. ठीक है? Then only it will show valid. Correct? Everything done and dusted, I hope. And let's enter and see what do we get. Okay. So they have given this means there is some issue. Okay, so they have also given here the issue is inside we should not put a open bracket for this. I think we found the issue. Let's enter. Yeah, see, we have received valid. Right now what we will do, we will just go to this place. When we get a plus sign, double click. So see, we have got each and everything like valid and invalid, two things we have got without having any blank or something. Let's see how many things are valid. Okay, there are lots of things like, yeah, at the rate example, lots of things are valid and invalid, but still we will maintain the professionalism. How we will maintain the professionalism? We will do a pivot, because see, pivot table is there, why not to use it? Simple, pivot table is there, right? Go to insert, pivot table, new sheet. This I will go for the valid and invalid in rows. Actually, I want to count how many valid is there, how many invalid is there. That's it. And take this to values. And count is selected. Okay. So what we have received, let me increase this to 140. Yeah. So what we have received is like there are invalid emails, 33 invalid emails are there, and valid are 167 emails are there in valid. So we will also reply this to them as well. Okay? And see, we have also not sent them any alert mail. No worries for that. We can send them the alert mail right now and also tell them about this insights as well. But uh, as we have just dodged the professionalism, we have to apologize for this. So hi Mr. Patrick, we have to apologize first that we have not sent them the alert mail. This is to inform you that I want to apologize for not sending the reminder mail for the mail you sent previously, and as we were a little bit busy with the file and we are a little bit busy with the file, that's it. also we'll write one thing, as we went through the mail id part, we found that there are invalid emails, ठीक है, invalid emails, which invalid emails means those emails which are not in proper format, like no domain name, no .com kind of thing, and no @ so we flag them as invalid, and giving you the insights. So what we will do, we will first take this thing, we'll just copy and give them the data. This is what professionalism means. We cannot just tell them कि yeah, there are 33 invalid emails, there are like this. We cannot say. We have to present them in a professional way. And what is professional way? See, they know one thing, these are all done through pivot table, so they are also confirmed, like the guy who is informing us, or the freelance gig who is informing us related to this thing, is maintaining the professionalism, and he or she had found the data or the insights of this thing, like valid and invalid thing, or I would say the duplicacy thing where 2 and 1 is there. That guy, I mean he or she, the freelance gig, is finding the insights using proper format means either using formula, either using pivot table, either using any other function. This is professionalism. We cannot just say like we have selected all the things and we have found out the count. It is not maintaining, it just means not maintaining the professionalism. This is what professionalism means. Give them the data. If they want any proof, we have the data, we can send them right now, like just right now, because in this way there won't be any human error. I mean to say, suppose you do one thing, you just give a filter here, invalid, and suppose you have seen there are, just a minute, let me give it here. You have seen, let me give it here. Yeah, you have seen there are 33 of 22 records found for invalid, and by mistake if you say 35 or 36 like this by mistake, there you might face an issue for this. Let me tell you, you really might face an issue for this. So to better to avoid them, better to say them by seeing from your eyes and telling this things. Data means numbers. Seeing from your eyes and telling the numbers like these are the data, this is what I found. No, this is not professionalism. Always make sure you give them the data where numbers are involved, using any function or any kind of formula or tools like that. So that's the thing. So that's the thing. Let me first write this, then regards, regards, Shubham. That's it, simple as that. Also we have maintained one more professionalism things, like we, as I have told you previously, we have to be very much clear about the reminding, which we have not done, and that is we have also apologized to them for this. Like we have apologized for not sending the reminder. Also let us write this line because this is necessary thing. Like if you want, you can send us the mail ID and all. It is we should write like maintaining, as I've told you, maintaining the professionalism and soft skill are something which you have to show. We cannot show this thing by writing in resume, CV, or in LinkedIn, right? That's what I'm trying to say. And this is the data. Let's send them and let's see what insights do we get, insights or any placeholder we have to write or something. Let's see this. Let's wait for the mail reply. We have sent them. Patrick, everything is good. So that is all about this, and let's see what mail do we receive from their side. So we have received a mail for the previous mail, that is we have sent them related to valid and invalid mail, and we have received the update from the freelance client, and let's see what update they have given to us. So right now we have, okay, we can see a new team, that is CC to admin team. I think they might, there are chances like they might be updating the email IDs because admin team take care of this all with the help of HR team. So let's read the mail and see what update do we get from you. So hi Shubham, yeah, okay, thank you for the mail. I really appreciate it. As we are planning to process a bonus increment for employees tomorrow. Okay. Could you please share the file with an additional column indicating invalid email IDs? Okay. So they are asking for this. Like we have done this for the, I mean, checking purpose. We want to give this same thing in the Excel sheet and we will be sending them with this. So let's read again. This will help us to correct them before sending it back to you. Okay, so got two we have got to know about two things here. First thing is bonus increment is there. So we have to be hurry and we have to send the file today itself, and also this thing. So okay, so here is the bonus column, percentage, each and everything. Okay, first thing first, what we will do, we will have to first remove this formula. Do you know why? Let me just keep it here. Yeah, do you know why? Because see, the best part is you have used the formula, that's a good thing. But suppose if there is any change of anything, what will happen? See, like this, if there is any change of anything, what will happen? It will damage the full work, or as we say, the full column with just one mistake. So how to remove this formula kind of thing and make the data as it is? Just control shift down, I mean select all the things, okay? Then control C, copy from here, right? I mean not the upper part, I mean not the header part, copy from here, okay? You have copied it. Let me copy once again here in your front, copy it. Then what you will do, you will select here, you will go here and paste as values. You have to do paste as values. In paste as values, what will happen, this formula thing will not be shown, and this formula thing will get vanished when you apply paste as values. Let me show you here. Paste as values, I'm clicking, that's it. Okay, now see, each and everything is there, safe and sound. Okay, only data is there, the formula is not there. So this is a good practice. And why I'm saying, because if you send this file and they do some mistake from their own side, the full column will get damaged, then it will be a double work for you. Okay, so rather than to avoid this kind of thing, I would say just copy the full column and paste it as a value so that the formula get vanished, but the data will be pasted in the same column as it is. Okay, and let's save the file. Just save the file and normal. Always please save the file. Keep that thing in mind. So this is done, and they are okay asking for bonus. Okay, we should also clear one more thing, the date one. Okay, So the date one, what we have to do, it is in number format. ठीक है? I think just wait a minute. Let's see. Is there any blank here? No, there is no blank here. Okay. So what we will do, you can see it is a number format. We have to convert this into date format. So just control shift down, numbers, short date, done and dusted, khatam. So it is now in date format, and joining date, someone is from 21, I mean 22, 20, 23, 2021, 2020, 2024. Okay, so here we have seen one thing, like the sales part is empty. Okay, no worries for that. Okay, I see something issue in this related to maths part, because let us check one thing. Let us check one thing. You know what? Let us check this kind of percentage, because what I have seen, right now in some parts the percentage is not properly done. That's what I'm trying to say. Like here percentage is not properly done. Here should be zero or missing number, but still, let me show you one thing, because what I can see here from my percentage, sorry for the spelling mistake, what I can see, like there is some issue in this. Let's check, like, is the percentage or the bonus that they have given in the percentage is correct or not. Okay, what we will do sales into this equal to this and keep this as number. Okay, so here it is good. Hmm. Let me just check. Malab, how you will check, you will just cross check. Like you are cross checking it. That's it. Nothing else. You are not disturbing any of the data that is present in the raw data. You are just making a extra column and you are just checking it. Let's check. Let's just keep it center. Yeah, let's check what, because I can see some datas are like issue is there. Let's see. I have just done double click and I have see that is what I'm trying to say, because 23% of 4999, you can see G5 into J5. G5 is this, J5 is this, is not the same. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I have seen, and that's what I'm trying to say. And let me show you one more trick here. What we used to do when we used to do this kind of, because see, as I have experience, I know there will be issues in calculation matter also in this. Let me tell you that. So as we know, there are issues in calculation matter, like it is from my experience. Earlier, if you say me as a fresher, I also won't be able to know about these things. But as per my experience, work experience and corporate experience, I came to know about these things. Like there are also issues in calculation part, in percentage or plus minus part. So we also have to check that. Like, do you know why I have checked that? Come here, let me show you the thing. I have checked that thing because this word, this keyword, do you know why? Because if suppose, let me move this thing little bit here, if this HR team has not told us about the bonus increment, I would not have checked the bonus increment. Let me be very frank with you. Would have just given them the mail ID with just a column of valid and invalid additional column that we have already done. I would just remove the formula and I would give them the file for checking or for any additional data. But let me be very frank with you, once I have received, I mean, I can see the keyword that's where I thought I should give a check in this. And once what I have seen, like, yes, there is a issue in this percentage part, and it's my duty to have a check and inform them, because that is what we are being hired for, right? everything, each and everything won't be done from the company side or the corporate side. You have, you as a, I would say, freelance gig or a employee, you should have to check and give them the data. This, there is a plus point of that, like you are very much focused on your work, that's it. So we will check the true false. And what is the use of true false, you know? We will just do this equal to this equal to this. We'll just do like this. We will, what we will do, we will just make sure the data in I2 is equal to data in K2 or not. Sorry, yeah, data in K2 or not. We'll just check that and let's see. See what I have did. There are true and false I have received. True and false means whatever bonus they have given and whatever bonus we have done for checking is not matching, that's why it is showing false, which means this not equal to this. And let me tell you one thing, whenever you will be sending the file, whatever column you have added additional, make sure you do a different color for that. Suppose I do a different color for this, let me, yeah, do you know why? At least they would be able to know like these are those columns which are added additionally. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, just inform them in mail as well that I have added this three columns. This is what you have told, and this two additional column I have added and found that there is issue in the calculation part for the percentage. I mean percentage column calculation part and bonus part. There is a issue, and let's save it and let's write a mail for this. We will, okay. Let's put this charge. And also we will do one thing, you know what, we will just make a pivot table and let them know like how much true and false are there in this. Okay, so there are around, let me increase this a little bit. So what we can see, like there are around 97 data where the, I mean bonus, the bonus part in raw file and the bonus part that we have found out from our own side is not matching. So we will tell that, and this is actually the good way to tell, and we will also send the file to them. Okay, so let's reply this. Hi Mr. Patrick, thanks for the reply. And let me tell you one thing, why I have not given them acknowledgement, because they have told me the next mail, like they have told here the next mail should be like attachment should be there and this column should be there. If I would send them related to the remainder thing, they would be like "Ki where is the file and all." So it is better to send the mail with the file as well. So rather than sending them two files, it is better to send them one mail and a file. But that should not be done in this kind of scenarios. Why? Because there they haven't told to send a file on a immediate basis. That's what I'm trying to say. Whatever they have told to send on a immediate basis at that time, no worry to write the reminder mail. Just send them the file with a reminder mail kind of thing. Okay, that is kind of soft skill what I have learned from my manager, and that has really helped me a lot in the corporate field as well as in the freelance field. Thanks for the reply. And as instructed, I have added a column for valid and invalid mails in the Excel sheet. Okay. Then we will write, but as you mentioned in the above mail that the bonus session will go on tomorrow. I just had a look at the bonus part and found out that there is issue in the calculation of this. I have added two more columns just for the information. Just for the information, so that you can have a check on this. ठीक है? And in this we will write this thing, मतलब this one. We'll write this one so that they would be able to know how many mail how many the bonus calculation is wrong, like how much data in bonus calculation is wrong and how much data is false. And we have to also write this false equal to calculation issue, true equal to no issue. ठीक है? We will write this in italic just for a reminder, or they will say like what is like false and true and all that thing. We will write this here and that's it. And also we will write, please find the attached file in this mail. ठीक है? Let's see what reply do we get. First thing first, we have to save the file. What's this? Oh, I have not deleted this. Count of valid and invalid. Let's delete this and let's delete this as well. This is for our sending purpose. That's why I'm saying delete this and let's save the file here. Okay? And why, like why I have done this, so that they would be able to know what are the three column we have added. Okay? So these are the columns we have added and let's send them the file. We have just saved the file and also we have to check about the file name. So save as, let's see what they have given. CLN. Okay, CLN, and we will do it in desktop. Take, we will put this in desktop and then we will send them the file. Save. Okay, done and dusted. This is the thing and let's attach the file in this desktop. This one, HRA sales BUICLN, and then just open it. That's it, nothing else, no issue. And we have added the file, Excel file, with the proper name given. So it is like, let us check once again, HRA sales BUICLN, HRA sales. Done and dusted. We have given each and everything, each and every issue. Okay, let's hi Mr. Patrick. Okay. Now let's just send the file and wait for the reply, what reply do we get? Do we have to do some changes or add an additional thing or not? Let's see what do we get. So we have sent them the file, and this is the file of it, and this is the sheet. So let's wait for their reply. As we can see, we have received a mail for the previous mail, like we have sent them this, and let's see what we have received. Okay, as we can see, there are lots and lots of people are being CC'd to, and there are like authorities are there, top authorities are there as well. Let's see. I think the like it is a kind of bonus, or I would say salary matter now. So salary matter is being, I mean to say, it is kind of escalation kind of thing. But let's see what do we have in the mail. Let's read it and let's see what do we have in the mail. So in this we have like, hi Shubham, this is to inform you that your work focus have been highly appreciated by our Acha top management. The issue you identified has been escalated to finance team. Like as I've told you, anything which is into money matter, these things will get escalated very soon, as it could have been impacted the bonus calculation. We truly value your proactive approach in checking and informing us. It is very helpful for the organization. Yeah. We have corrected the invalid emails. Okay, they have corrected the invalid emails and updated the bonus for blank cells. Yeah, like I have told you, where we have received 0% for this, means there is some blank into it, and I have shown you in the file as well. As instructed by our CTO, you are okay. So CTO is being informed, like chief technical officer. You are now given full flexibility to work on the Excel sheet and update the bonus detail from your end. We have attached the updated file to this email. Kindly rename it to, okay, we have to rename the file to this and continue working on it, as all future update and interaction will be based on this file. Nice. Please note the next conversation regarding this file may come directly from CTO, CFO or business. Okay, means right now we will be dealing with the higher authorities. Let's see what they will be having for us, what requirement will they be having for us. Let's see that, as they require further insights. Okay, so this is the file. Let's download this file. Okay, let's see from here. Let's download it, then we will work on this. So we have downloaded the file, and let's see what do we have in this. This is the file, and let's check. Oops, not auto sum, cancel. I was doing for filtration. That's what I'm trying to do. Sales na. Hmm. So there is no zero in this. So that's a good thing. Although these things are into ascending order, so zero will be visible at first, but still we have to check uh, and should be thorough from our own side. That's what I did. So there is no zero into it, but there is zero into this, and we have to update it. And let's see what, okay, whatever invalid, let's see, whatever invalid it is there, everything is been updated. Means at the rate domain name and .com, each and everything has been updated, so that's a good thing. Hmm. So as mail ID is updated, so let's not do anything here. First of all, let's change the file name, and let's open the file name that we are working on it previously. So we were working on this, right? We were working on this, correct, on the earlier basis, and then this is what we have received the file for. Okay. No worries for that. We can do one thing, you know what, we can delete this file. It would be better, we will delete this file, and we will be fully focused on this 19 September 2025 ka file. Okay, deleted, and this also delete it, so that there won't be any confusion. Okay, let's save it and let's keep this as valid only. Let's keep this valid everything, because everything is valid. And right now we will be working on this part. So we will be, what we will be doing, equal to this into the percentage part and see what update do we get. Okay, each and everything done, and let's see if this part is true or false. Whatever is the false, we will update it then and there. Equal to this, equal to this. So still there are false, because okay. So right now what we will do, we will use this check percentage one into bonus column. We will directly add it because this is the corrected one. Okay. So let's remove the filter and we will add one more column here. Bonus. We will write this FLC matlab freelance client, for them we are working. So we will take this thing. We'll just go from copying all the thing and pasting it here, which is actually not good. No worries. So is there anything? Yeah, check percentage. Okay. So as we actually we can see some formula. I mean the formula is applied here. So we will just copy it here, and then what we will do, we will just paste as value so that formula get removed. So the formula got removed. Right now we will just copy this whole thing, go here and paste as values. Okay. So it is easily done and dusted. And what we can do as this will be from number part. Go to this, keep this as number, because we want everything in number. And yeah, that's it. We will delete this thing and we will keep this thing with us. So let's delete this thing. So this will be also been deleted because this is of no use right now. Okay, and let's check again, like everything is true or false. Just cross check this, equal to this. Oops, it is different. So I2 is equal to K2. Yeah, true. So let's see, do we get any false here? So we can see here there is no false available in this. So each and everything is pasted on a proper basis. So it's good to go. And let's now delete this thing and remove the filter. No worries for that. We did our work properly, and let's save it. Plus we have to change the name as well. We have to rename it to what? In September. Okay, just let's go and rename everything to this. Okay, that's good to go. 19 September, and this also we will just save as this, paste in desktop. So everything is saved properly, done and dusted. Okay, as they have told, this thing these things are done as they have mentioned, and we have done this thing and we will reply to them. Thanks for the mail. For the mail, we have received the file corrected as instructed, and now we are ready to work on the uh, I would say what they have told, work on the insights part that will be received from top management. That's it. Top management regards. Let's correct this thing. The file corrected as instructed. Now we are ready to work on the insights part that will be received from our top management. That's because they have told, like, they will give us, I mean, this top authorities will provide us all the details related to it, so we have to work on that. Okay, let's go and see what insights do we get from them. Let's send this file and let's wait for the reply. We have received a mail right now for the reply of the previous mail. That is this one. By, like, they have told, we will receive a mail from top management. So as they have told, we have received the same thing. We have received mail from the CFO, and CFO direct are on the directors level of a company. So let's see what they have written and what requirement do they need, because in the previous mail they have told about kind of visualization, kind of work will be done and all that thing. See, this thing related to that. Let's see what uh, options, or I would say what things they need from the file, even though I can see there is one attachment here. So let's read the mail and let's find out what they actually need from the freelance gig. So they have, okay, they have CC'd to, like as usual, they will be CCing to the team, because each and every one of the team member, or I would say each and every one department in the company should always know about like what's going on the team, because everyone should be kept in loop. So that is the thing. Let's read the mail and let's see the requirement. So they have written, hi Shubham, first of all I would like to appreciate your effort. Your work has been extremely helpful in identifying the discrepancies in the bonus column. Yeah, like we have earlier told them related to the miscalculation in the bonus column. So they are appreciating the effort for that of the Excel sheet. We truly value the accuracy and commitment you bring to your work. Yeah, that's the thing. Like if you do something good, you will really get appreciation and it will add more value to your professional work. So they have that's the first line. Second line, they have written, I have made some changes to few employee IDs where the bonus percentage has been updated. Okay, I think we have these things like name also suggested, employee bonus UPD, I think update. Could you please provide me the comparison of the previous and the recent bonus value so we can review the changes? Kindly share the file name HRA sales view UIB UPA containing the updated details along the updated bonus detail as discussed. Looking forward for your response, and they are okay. So let's reply them and tell them that we will be looking into that. I mean looking into the requirement and all, and let's see what do we get in that. Hi Mr. Uh, this thank you for the response and appreciation. We will look into the file and do the needful as instructed in the above mail. ठीक है, that's it. Regards, regards Shubham. ठीक है, just a minute. Shubham, that's it. So let's do this quotation mark, and we have written thank you for the response and appreciation. We will look into the file and do the needful as instructed in the above mail. Simple, sweet and simple, just an alert mail. So we will send them. It's sent, and let's see what they have in the Excel sheet. Okay, so they have given the employee ID and updated percentage. So as far as I can see, not all the employees percentage are updated. They have only updated only some random employee IDs. So what we will be doing, we will be updating that file itself, and also we will be using terms like VLOOKUP, and also we will be doing some visualization work. So let's download the file here and let's see what do we get. So we have downloaded the file here, and this is the previous file. So this is that file. What we will do, we will just rename it by what email bonus UPD, sorry, employee bonus UPD. ठीक है, just rename it. ठीक है, done and dusted. We will just copy the details in the file, in this file, and paste it here, like keep it in our file. ठीक है, let's open this. First let's see how many data we have. So as we can see, there are around, let me just increase this. As we can see, there are total around 70 counts. I mean 70 data is present. I mean 70 employees data are present in this sheet. So we will just control shift right, control shift down. So it is selected, control C, and then we will paste it here. ठीक है, let me increase this first. Paste it here, paste as values. ठीक है, done and dusted. Let's do this something like that. Each and everything is good. We will do it like this. Box, that's it. No worries for that. It is in general. It is also in general. So first let's make it numeric number, and that's it. This is percentage. Let's make it percentage. That's it. And let's make this things also percentage. ठीक है, percentage format, employee number, simple as that. So let's jump into the file and let's make two column here. ठीक है, I will insert what happened, control Z. I will insert column left. ठीक है, and we will also remove this thing and write this two things like email ID and updated percentage. Just copy it here. I mean, sorry, just copy the heading, control C and control V. ठीक है, but we will do it in a different color. You know why? To make sure that this is a different part of the work that we have received. That's it, nothing else. And valid invalid also, let's do it like this. That's it. So sweet and simple. Now what we will do, we will just take the updated percentage here. That's it. ठीक है, if no required, we can delete the employee ID as well. I would say let's delete it, it's of no use. So that is the normal percentage, bonus percentage. We will give the updated percentage. So what we will do here, we will be using VLOOKUP. So that is the employee ID. We will be using lookup lookup value. The first lookup value will be the employee ID. ठीक है? Let me just make sure I keep this thing here so that it is easy for you to understand. So you can see lookup value is the employee ID. ठीक है? Then comma, we have to take the table array. So we will be taking this thing from this table. ठीक है? Let me do it here. Yeah, this table. So what I will do, I will just make it like this till the end. ठीक है? Till the end. That's it. It's updated. Now they will be asking for the column index range. So what we need the second column only. So updated percentage. Updated percentage we have selected. Tab. That's it. Range lookup we need exact. So false. That's it. ठीक है? False. What happened? That's it and enter. Why it's not working? हाँ, enter. ठीक है? You can see here A2 is the like whatever data we need to compare. Employee bonus update means this sheet name, and from A1 to B71 second. Why second? Because we need the only the updated percentage, and then false because we need exact value. ठीक है? Once we see the plus sign here, like at the corner of the cell, double click. Do we get any? No, I think there is some issue in this. Okay, let's find out the issue. What's the issue here? That's the thing. Okay, let's delete this here, go here and only take this much data. ठीक है? Only take this much data and enter. Let's see. Then also it is coming like this. I don't know why. 383. So on percentage, this thing or number, this number should get changed. I don't know why it is not coming. No need to worry about. We will take care of it. We can do one thing. Let's add the dollar sign here. Freeze it. Let's see. Sorry, we have to do it here. No worries. It will be the same thing. Add the dollar sign here. Do it and let's, yeah. So once we have added the dollar sign here, we have seen the changes here as well. ठीक है? Dollar signs means what, you know? It will freeze. Means A2 till B71, it will freeze. It won't move. So that is freezing wala part. We use dollar. When you put dollar in the cell number, that is suppose cell number is A2. So dollar A and dollar 2 means for the row and for the column, if you freeze the cell, the selection won't move here and there. So that's the thing. And we can see these things are updated. So first thing first, let's add one more column here and write updated percentage. Do you know why I'm doing this? Let me show you. I will copy it here and I will do paste as values. As I've told you in the previous video, I mean, not previous video, the previous part. Paste as values, what it will do, you know, it will remove the formula. Like here, formula is there, here, formula is not there. That's why I'm saying. So, that is the thing, and that's done and dusted. So, but let me tell you one thing, we need to check always the details and all. So, let's put remove the NA part, let's put OK, because as we all know, we have 70 count of employee IDs where the changes has been made. So let's see, I have removed the NA. NA remove means the changes had not been done and data means these changes had been done. Okay, so 70 count here, 70 count here. So that means from the upper hand we can say that each and everything is okay and good to go. Okay, so let's remove the filter here and let's remove this as well. So delete, and now let's give any different color, xyz color. Okay, so that is the updated percentage, and right now we will be taking care of the new percentage. Okay, so as we all know, this is also correct, this thing's also correct. Let me just check once. So column left equal to this, equal to this. We need to check always, because yeah, it's true. So we will do one thing, we will delete this part because there's of no use, lots of data will be there, it's of no use, let me tell you. So this is the, oh shit, bonus FLC, right? So we will write here as well bonus FLC, bonus FLC, and delete this one because this is the corrected one. So no worries for that, this is the updated percentage that they have given. And let's do it here, yeah, just to not make it that much kind of messy data here, I would say, like in the mail, if you see in the mail, they have told ki hmm, provide the comparison. Okay, so for comparison what we will do, let this let me remove this filter, let this percentage and let this bonus stay here. Okay, we won't change it. Okay, for comparison we will do two more columns, one updated percentage one and one updated bonus one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's, it will be like full updated bonus, sorry, percentage, I'm very sorry, percentage, and new bonus FLC. Always remember guys, make sure the color that you have given is different from the previous one. Why, because it will be easier for you to identify, like what was the previous one, what is the new one that you did. That's what I'm trying to say. So what I will do, I need the full bonus here. Okay, first thing first, let's make sure this NA are put 0. Okay, or do one thing, let's put this 0 here, 0 here full. I want NA to be 0 and this one. Okay, that's it, I filtered it, as you can see. Do it here right now. What we can see, these things are 0, or we can do one thing, you know what, we will do it blank. Okay, let's delete it, make it a blank, it would be better. Take 45 means, see, only 45 is there, whatever is updated, whatever is not updated we can keep it here as well, no worries for that. We will do one thing, I will just go here, control shift, or it is better to go right here, control shift down, the last cell, control shift up, and you have to go till the last one, I mean the last header part. Okay, remove the header part till here, just see this, control C, copy. Okay, control C, then you go here where you want to paste the updated part. In the paste column you go, paste special, in this paste special, skip blank. Okay, skip blank, see as they have written here, in this skip blank what it will do, the empty cell of the source data do not overwrite the corresponding cell containing data in the paste. ठीक है? So like this kind of thing will happen. So do it okay. And now see each and everything is pasted properly. We will do the checking here as well. No worries for that. Remove the blanks. Oh, sorry. Remove the blanks and now see. Let's do a check here. Obviously, Excel means checking will be done. Equal to this, equal to this, enter, double click, see, true is there, or let's see here, true is there. That means whatever we have copied, the updated percentage is pasted here properly. So delete this column right now and remove everything. Done and dusted. ठीक है? Properly done and dusted. No worries for that. Or you can do one thing, you can check one more thing here. Just select the column, you can see the sum. It's 92.74 for the updated percentage. Here, okay. Here the sum is different, 145.2. Okay, no worries. No worries. Don't check the sum. We will just check the bonus part. ठीक है? Equal to, how to check the bonus part? This sales. Oh, sorry. Just check this. Yeah. We will get the new bonus part right now. So equal to sales multiply with the updated bonus. Done. ठीक है? Right now, let's go to the this plus sign, black plus sign. Double click. It's done and dusted. But so it is already done and dusted. Percentage is also done and dusted. ठीक है? And new bonus is also done and dusted. So everything is good to go. We can delete this right now. Let's delete it. Deleted. Employee bonus, let it be here. Let us keep this file this side. Okay, let me show you here because that's just a minute. Yeah, it's good right now. Okay, I think I need to move it here only. Here, let me tell you why, because I will be using this kind of not kind of the pivot table. That's why I'm saying. So let's use the pivot table as they have told for comparison. That's why let's use the pivot table here. Here matlab new sheet, not in this sheet. ठीक है? So right now we have this details and data. What we will check, like as a layman's language, what we will compare, like the previous data, previous percentage, what we will have, we will compare that with the new one to check like is the cost being increased or there is some cost cutting or not, something like that. That's what I'm trying to say. We will make visualization also and send it to the mail that they have told. Okay? So what was the data for it? So we will take care of the only bonus part. So bonus FLC, new bonus FLC, percentage and full updated percentage. So bonus FLC. Let's see what we have. New bonus FLC, updated percentage, and we can do one thing. We can take only this much. Let's delete this sheet and let's take only that much data, how much it is required for us. Okay? This much data, nothing else. Only this much data we will take. We will insert pivot table into it and we will compare. Okay? See, we have only the 4 columns, so it will be easy for us for the comparison. That's why I am saying. So let's take the percentage part and the full updated percentage part. Okay? We can do one thing, we can put the insert and pie chart. Let's see what do we get. Hmm. Okay, that's the thing. That's into percentage. Why not this? Let's make this into percentage also. Let's delete this. Okay, let's make it 140%. Yeah. So percentage we have, why not to take the full thing like bonus and new bonus FLC. Let's delete the percentage part and let only keep the bonus part. Okay, let only keep the bonus part and let's see what do we get. Hmm. Okay, so we will select it and we will insert some pivot chart and let's see what do we get. We haven't received any, no worries for that, because the table here is not properly made. That's why, that's the reason, because here one cell is there, one cell is not there. That's what I'm trying to say. If I remove all the blanks, there is no blank here till date. Hmm. What we can do here, we can just page layout. Here also blank cannot be removed. We will do like this, it would be good. Yeah. Right now it will be good. The thing is, what we have done, rather than writing in the column part, what we have did, we have did the sum of the bonus and sum of new thing, and in this way we can make a chart. Okay, pie chart, it would be better. Line chart, pie chart kind of thing. Like this we can make, column chart also we can make, and we can show them here for the visualization thing. Okay, so this is the new bonus and this is the actual bonus. ठीक, we will do some addition in this chart title. We will write old bonus versus new bonus. ठीक है, this is the thing, and we will write this as just a minute. We can write this as bonus, or we can say, what should we write here? Columns. ठीक है, bonus columns. It would be better to write this bonus columns. ठीक है, and this we can say values. ठीक है, these are the thing, values and bonus columns, and here we can see sum of bonus जो है, sum of bonus FLC, the old one was around, okay, let us do this data levels, was around 6 lakhs 41,603, and the new one is 51 5 lakhs 10,000. ठीक है, let's see, do we get something? No use, error bar, no use, trend lines, except no use, trend line also no use. Leave this. Can we do something more here? Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty good. It is also good, it is also good, but let's not do that much. ठीक है, let's keep it like this. It would be the better one, and it looks good as well, like the sum of the new bonus and sum of the old one. So what we will do, we won't keep this thing, we will just write it comparison, rename bonus comparison. That's it, we will write bonus comparison. That's the thing, we will put it here, sweet and simple. No worries for that, no worries for that. Or we can uh let me do control Z. Yeah, we can take this, we can keep it here, it would be better. Here the column is there and here the, I mean, visualization is there. So both things are perfectly done and dusted. This color is mentioned because that what we have did changes that column, and also what they have did the changes. I mean what was there in the raw data, that column. So as we are done and dusted, we will now write a mail to Mr. Soki was okay. We will write the mail. So hi, uh, we will give the full insight, like what was it all about, like why, uh, what difference did it made, is there any cost cutting or is there any cost addition to this. We will write this everything. Okay. As we have done the as we have done the uh, done the required, is my visible, yeah, done the required part for the above task. I have above task. I have found out that there is a cost cutting from the cost. There is a cost cutting. We can see there is a cost cutting in this new bonus regime. As in the graph we can see this. There is proper, I would say, as in the graph we can see this, that is properly mentioned that around, and we will also write how much decrease is there as well. We will write it here, equal to this minus this. We can see uh, remarks. We can write this remarks. ठीक है? As we can see, there is a, just a minute, let me this copy and paste as values. It would be better, copy and paste as values. Wait a minute, let me do it properly. I mentioned that, uh, and we can see this, there is properly mentioned that around this much amount is being saved as per the new bonus regime. ठीक है? We have written this. Right now what we will do, we will copy it and paste it here. Why I am saying this, because to show the visualization part, we will keep this thing in um, Excel sheet, as well as we will keep this here, so that at least he can see the difference. Also he can check around, like do we need to do something else or not. Okay, that's the thing. Because as we all know, the higher authorities don't get that much time to communicate, don't get that much time to take care of all this. It is better, like, to save their time as much as possible from our own side. So in this way, at least we can tell them, and the anyone, like anyone who is receiving this mail, can be happy to see that the visualization is giving them a clear picture. So that's the thing. and let us write as instructed. I am sending the file in this mail as per the given, and as instructed I will be sending. I have instructed. I have attached the file in this mail. ठीक है? So right now what we will do, we will just go copy the name here. ठीक है? Copy the name here and delete this file. First thing first, yeah, this file is there. Let's keep it at the end, it would be better. Huh. It would be better. Right now what we will do, we will just save the file as per the name given. ठीक है? Save as desktop, paste. So this name is been told and instructed by the higher authority, so we will paste this thing .xlsx and save it. ठीक है? We have already saved. Right now let's add the file Excel project, this one BUP 654 everything good to go. Open and we will see. Chalo, file also attached. Then we will write regards. Sure. ठीक है? That's it, done and dusted. We have done the visualization part, as well as we have attached the mail as per required and send them this mail, and let's see what output do we receive from them. ठीक है? Let's send the file and let's see what output do we receive from them. ठीक है? That's the thing. Let's send the file and let's wait for the reply. So message sent. Let's check once again. See, it will look like this. Means mail will be there. This part will be there. And I mean the visualization part will be there. And that's it. This also sent. And let's wait for the reply mail. We have received one mail from them, right? I mean from the CFO. We have received one more mail, and just a minute. Yeah. And let's see what they have written. They haven't sent any new file. Let's see what they have written. So first thing first, some new thing we can see here, like developer team and technical team has been added. That means, see, like we have given this visualization part here, right? So I think he want to make sure ki different, like developer teams, or I would say business intelligence team should take care of it, because business intelligence team are those who are mostly inclined into the visualization part, like Tableau or Power BI part. So I think he want to make sure like people should get involved and should be in the loop and get insights from whatever things is going on behind the scenes. So that's the thing, and let's see what's the mail is all about. Let's see. So it is like, hi, oh sorry, hi Shubham. Thank you for the detailed work and analysis. We really appreciate the clarity and effort you have put in. It's great to see the insights, especially the saving of this much. Okay, under the new bonus regime. For the next step, we would like to continue working on the same file. Okay, so we don't need to download any file, or we don't need to retrieve any previous file. We, whatever file we are working on previously, means the file that we have sent. Simple, the file that we have sent, on that only we will be working on and making the following. Okay, ठीक है. We continue same file and making the following updates. So we have three new updates to be made in the file. So first thing is add currency detail to the Excel sheet. Just a minute. Okay, currency means salary part is there, sales bonus part is there, whatever like things are there, we have to do, I mean add or modify and make it addition of the currency, uh, I mean currency symbol in this. Then include an experience column calculated from the joining date to the today's date. So today's date is 21 September, and we will calculate the experience of each and every employee that they have given. Provide us some additional insights based on the updated data. Okay, let's see what insight can we get, and let's see what do we like, what can we get back to them. So let's send a mail, reply mail, or I would say, hi Mr. Okay, just let's copy it because like writing this name, and if we get into some mistake, there would be an issue. Thanks for the appreciation and the mail, appreciation and the requirement. Let me write this, the requirements that we need to give. Let's not try this. Thanks for the application and the requirement to be presented in the above mail, and ठीक है, uh, I will send you the insights as soon as possible. ठीक है, that's it. Just an heads up that we have received his mail and we are aware of it. That's it. Regards, शुभम. ठीक है. Regards, Shubham. Thanks for the appreciation and the requirement presented in the above mail. I will send you the insight as soon as possible. ठीक है. Sent, and let's work on this. Let's keep these three things here. Currency detail. So first we will add the currency detail. First thing first, we will save it. Like always, make sure to save it. So we will add the currency part. So salary part will be there and currency will be added. So as they are into United States, I mean, let me tell you, the client is from United States. The dummy client is from United States, and let's add the currency part into it. Okay. I don't know why it is showing like this. Control Z. Let's do this. Let's go to more number format in this accounting, and let's add USD. Okay, let's see what do we get. Okay, we have received it, US dollar, and let's really sorry for this. Control shift down, accounting. Is there anything? So it's currency, and currency, once we have received, just go with it. Currency part. Go with the currency part, don't go with the accounting. Go with the currency part, USD. Done and dusted. Okay? Easy. Same thing will be done here. Sales part as well. And let's go for the currency part. USD. That's it. Okay. Done and dusted. Same for the bonus. Here currency US dollars. And anything more we can see. Salary is done, sales is done, bonus is done, and right now the new bonus also we will do. Okay, we'll go here, currency, can do like this. That's it. Done and dusted. It's the easiest way, I would say. So let's do a validity check at first. Bonus part is done. Previous bonus is done. Sales and salary. Everything is put into the currency version. I mean, currency details are added into it. Okay. Now let's check this. Include an experience column, calculate from the joining date to today's date. Okay. So what we will be doing, we will be adding two columns. Okay. What two columns? One for the today's date and one for the experience date. Okay. This is the joining date. Okay. We will add two things. And as we know, always we should do this thing because this is the additional column. That's why I'm saying. I would say let's do one thing. Let's add here. Okay, it would be better. Yeah, right. So we will write here today's uh, date and experience. Okay, experience we will write in. Let's do in days only. It would be good. Experience in days. Okay. So today's date, as I've taught you in the, I mean, playlist conceptual video, it is like equal to today, open close parenthesis, that's it. So today's date is 21 September, as you can see my mouse pointer here above my screen, I mean above my webcam, and today's date is this. Okay, let's do it in the center. Went there, black plus, double click, done and dusted. Right now we will find the experience. So equal to today's date minus joining date equal to this. What is this? Is not coming in date. So in number, okay, 1075. Let's do this. Yeah, then it's good. So experience in days we have received, and let's check once again to be very precise, like 12/10/2022 to 21/9/2025. Let's check this. Let's go to Google, write this. Where is it? 12/10/2022 to 21/09/2025 in days, just to 1075. Okay, you can see here 1075 done and dusted. 1075 done and dusted. Everything is clear and good to go. And you can see everything is done. And as I have told you, always copy it and paste as values. Okay, select this, paste as values. Do you know why? So that the formula with would get removed. That's why I'm saying. So paste as values. That's it. Done and dusted. Right now comes the main part, the insight part. So to get the insight part, I would say let's jump into the pivot table as well as the visualization table as well. So let's keep my webcam here, and let's do it. Let's first save it. Control shift right, control shift down. Okay, insert, pivot. Okay, let's see what insight do we get from this updated part. So we have this experience days, we have this age, sum of age, not, we have this age in column, and let's not take the age. Let's see what can we get. Experience days is done. Sales we can do. Sales part, values. Experience days. Let me check once. So 145. This. Okay. So we can see one thing, right? In this much experience days, matlab 269. Let us see how many experienced people are there who are having 269 days. So employee ID count, value count. Why I'm saying, just to check, like they have asked for the insight, na, just we need to check. Let me first keep it here so that it will be good for you to see. Yeah, so just to check, like how many experienced people are coming under this thing. Okay, let's delete this two thing and let's increase this to 140. So hmm, count of employee IDs. Okay, that's a good thing to say. Yeah, right now it's good. What I've did, I just make sure the count of employee ID is put above this. Let's short this. Okay, we have found sum of sales, this, and this. Hmm. Now let's see the salary part. What salary? What is the average salary for those who are having this? Okay, average salary with the. Hmm. We can add one more thing. We can add region here as well. Region, देखते हैं. Region. Yeah, we can add region here. Count of region. So we can get this thing as well. I would say let's make a dashboard. What do you say? Like let's make a dashboard. Let's present them everything. So let's put some slicer in this. First thing region. Let's give them a option for region and then department. Kind of performance rating. Let's see this. Yeah, department. What I am thinking, I will give you my thought process in this. I will give you my whole thought process in this. I will tell each and everything. Don't worry. Mm, let's see what we get. No use, no use. And lots of data. It would be really department is there. Performance rating. Yeah, performance rating. Yeah, given. Kya? Okay. That will be a huge thing. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. In this way, what insights do I can give them, from this? Like in this, they can select whatever they want to. No worries for that. They can select whatever they want to in this with the detail. And what insights do we get? Like from these columns, like experience, employee count, sales, salary, performance rating, the higher authority can get several actionable insights. Like they can identify the average range of employee experience. uh, they can spot top performers as well with the highest sales, detect employees whose performance may not align with their experience. So that's why I've given experience, count of employees and all. So by analyzing employee count across experience bracket, department or performance rating, we can understand like workforce distribution and skill gap. ठीक है? And comparing sales and salary, against experience, and performance rating reveal whether compensation and incentive align with actual contribution. So, helping to highlight high potential talent, evaluate the return on investment, or we say ROI per employee, and also identify underperformer who may need support or kind of additional training. So in this way they can find insights as well. Also I have given this thing, matlab region also, like in what region this they need to give more support or more investment, like this kind of thing. Okay, means overall this combination of data provides a comprehensive view of workforce efficiency, performance trend, and area for training or incentive adjustment, so enabling informed decision or reward promotion and development program. This is mostly used. So let's write this thing, let's save it. We would say like insights, like this it would be better, insights karke, it would be really a better thing. So let's write a mail with that. Okay, we will send the file and we will write the mail. Okay, as well. Means we are writing the mail, we will also send the file. So hi, this tick, we will write a mail to this. Whatever the storytelling I did right now, you can get that thing. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, first thing first, let's keep this webcam here so that it is easy for you to look into it. So in this we can write based on the employee, like this we can write like this, based on the employee. Whatever I am writing, you just see and tell me in the comment section what additional thing should be given. Employee data including, sorry, including experience, employee count, sales, salary, and performance rating. We can drive meaningful insights. ठीक है, we can drive, oh sorry, we can drive meaningful insights. So this is what we have written, and let's write the part that I have told you right now. This includes identifying the average and range of experienced top performer in sales and employees whose performance may not align with their experience. ठीक है, then we write analyzing, wait a minute, analyzing workforce distribution, distribution across experience brackets, like we can see analyzing workforce distribution across experience brackets, then we can write departments and performance rating highlights skill gaps and potential skill gaps, and I would say, yeah, potential area of development. Yeah, we can write comparing sales and also what salary against experience. Let me see. Oh my god, why? Yeah, against experience and performance allow us to access compensation alignment. Mm, and recognize. Let me check once. Yeah, we can get this as well. Average salary, max region. Yeah, this is good. We can write compensation, alignment, recognize, high potential talent, high potential talent, and identify underperformers who may require support. ठीक है. Overall, this analysis provides, let me say that, a clear view of workforce efficiency, performance trends, and opportunities for targeted training and incentives. It is better. Incentives adjustment would be right. Adjustment. ठीक है. That's the thing. Regards, Shubham. ठीक है. This is what we have written, and let's see what insight do we get. Right now we are not sending the file. Why? Because they might give some additional details to find out the insights or something. That's why let's see what insight, or let's see what I would say, what additional requirements they need from their own side. So let's send the file and wait for their reply. ठीक है. Find the file and let's wait for their reply. I think they might be needing much more insights. What I think. We have received a mail from. Okay, so I think this would be the final mail because we have received a mail from the higher top authority. And let's see what they have written, because I can see here they have written Power BI and all. Let's see what they have written. I'm very much excited. Like, next work, if they are into Power BI, it will be really good. We will make videos on that as well. So okay, CC, obviously the higher authority will give CC to the higher team. That's normal. So we have received a mail that is like, dear Shubham, I hope this message finds you well. This will be the final request for Excel based analysis. Okay, as I've told you, when the, I mean, the higher authority ask you, that might be the final part, because after that either there a new work will come or either a new team will come into picture. So right now, as I have seen from my experience, I can get to know that this is the last request from Excel, and we will see, let's see what insights do they require. So this will be the final request for the Excel based analysis of the employee bonus data. We would like the analysis to focus on region and new bonus. Okay, region and new bonus data that we have received, that we have to take care with the following matrices: sum of new bonus per region, to understand total bonus allocation. Okay, see, like they have written each and everything detail, why they need this, why they need that. So that's really a good thing. Count of new bonus entries per region to track the number of employees receiving bonuses. That's a good thing. Maximum new bonus per region to identify the highest individual bonuses per region. Okay. So we also request professional visualization chart and graph representing the metrics for clear interpretation. Kindly prepare and share the updated Excel file with the requested analysis and visualization. Okay, okay. I will be sending them the file. That's the final thing. Going forward, our next communication will focus on Power BI visualization and reporting using the dataset. Your timely support on this final. Okay, we'll focus on this. That's a good thing. Your timely support on this final Excel deliverable is greatly appreciated and will allow us to smoothly transition to the Power BI work. Thank you for your attention, Mr. Okay, Mr. CEO. So it's right. Hi, Mr. I have to send them a reminder mail. Uh, Thank you for the mail and appreciation. It was really good working with the team, as this helped me to gain good amount of knowledge from the data that I have received, and also the challenges faced was very much, I would say very much, very much useful, and had created a learning graph in my own career. So that's the thing. Let's see where. So that's the thing. Regards, Shubham. Okay, let's write this as well. Uh, I will send you the file as instructed in the mail. As instructed in the mail. That's it. Yeah. Let's send the file and let's see what response do we get. But right now we won't send the file. This is just an alert mail to let them know that we have received the data and details about it. We will send the file at the end, and let's see what response do we get. Okay, send. So let's jump into the work. So we will be taking care of bonus and region and new bonus. This one, right? region and this. So we will, what we will do, we will just, yeah, insert a pivot table in this. What happened? Yeah, yeah, right now it's good. We will just insert a pivot table in this, and let's see what output do we receive here. So here there are two files, I mean two columns, sorry, not two files, two column. So here it is region, okay, and what things they have asked? They have asked for sum of new bonus. Where is it? New bonus here, sum of new bonus, okay, it's done and dusted. Count of new bonus entries. Uh, what happened? Okay, count of new bonus entries, ठीक है, and last but not the least maximum of new bonus, ठीक है, max of new bonus, ठीक है. That's the thing, that's easy. Means actually the best thing is they have written each and everything. Now the main part, you know what, we have to take care of the visualization part. So in that we will go to insert pivot chart. Let's do the combo one because that's a good thing. So sum of new bonus, let's do the clustered column. Stacked, no, it's not good. Let's do the cluster column, it would be good, okay. Then count of bonus, let's do the stacked one. So that, because see, bonus, count of bonus is almost same, there is no big change. That's why I took stacked line with markers, so that it is not that much kind of detail. Because see, when each and everything comes under, I would say, let's a minute, let's just a minute, guys. Let me increase this. Sorry. Let me increase this. Right now, insert this clustered column, and here I will do stacked. Do you know why? Like you can see here, you can see this thing. Let me keep this here. You can see this thing. Each and every data is nearby. Matlab 35 to 45 nearby. So nothing comes under like 0 to kind of 0 to 30, then 30 to 80, like this kind of thing. So no much difference is there. So that's why I've given here stacked, so that at least they can know what it is going on, okay. At least they can see visually, that's it. And then max of new bonus, we will use tagline, okay. But it is also nearby, we will create a secondary access. Secondary access means one more access will get created here. Let's see how it is created, okay. Same thing, same access data will be created here, and that is why I have given secondary access. This secondary access kind of thing you will get to know more in Power BI and Tableau. In Power BI and Tableau, when we work, you will be able to see the secondary access wala thing. We will get into that. Let's not talk about it right now. So that's it, and that's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. I hope that's a good one, and you have received here. So let's make it little bit proper. Matlab proper in what sense? A little bit detail kind of thing. Like what my idea is, to make it like this. Or I would say, just a minute. Count, let's come here. Yeah, it would be good. I've just changed the count wala part. Do you know why? You know why? Because when I select this, you see the count of new bonus thing will come here. That's why I told. If in between the count of new bonus will come, it will look very odd. That's the reason why I did this. And let's increase this properly. Oops, I'm very sorry. Let's increase this properly like this. Okay, let's do it like this. And let's wait a minute. access should be there. Delete this as well, no use. And there we go. ठीक है, there we go. ठीक है, simple, sweet and simple, each and everything done. We will send this visualization wala graph in the mail, and in this you can see the count of bonus is also shown properly. So this is what I needed. So let's write the mail here to them. uh, okay, let's write a mail here, and let's say that what we have received from the insights uh, that they have told us in the mail. So let's write as I hope this and as instructed, I have done the visualization part, and this is the full and final insights from the table. ठीक है, let's just control C, control V. ठीक है, that's the thing, and we will write one thing. So as this is the last requirement, I will be sending the file in the mail, and the file in the mail, that's it. ठीक है, that's the thing. Regards, Shubham. Done and dusted. Let's do this. Go here, let's save the file. HRS sales BUI BUP. This is the last file because they haven't told anything much more required to this. Let's rename this to what we say, region bonus graph. Like this kind of thing we can do. No worries for that. And we have saved the file here. Okay. Now let's attach the file as well. Sales BUI BUP. Done and dusted. It's 93 KB. Sales BUI BUP. Sales BUI BUP. Done and dusted. So we have attached each and everything. We have done the final part. Let's send the file. And this is as it is. No need to worry about, everything done and dusted properly. File also sent. That's easy. That's good. So that's all about the Excel part, or I would say the Excel end-to-end project. And here we give a full stop to our project, and let's meet again in the new project for Power BI or Tableau, or let's see, you write in the comment section, I make project for that. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy learning and happy coding.